Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how you can block someone on Facebook without waiting 40 hours. So basically if you go to your profile right here and hit the three lines in the top corner right and go to settings and privacy, you will see this option right here where it says blocking. So right here is a list of persons that you have blocked. And of course the persons I have blocked in this case, and if I want to click just unblock on a random person, it says right here that you'll have to wait for the 8 hours if you want to block this person again. So basically I'm going to show you what you can do to skip those 48 hours. I'm going to choose a random person on Facebook. It can be your friend or not. So I have just selected this random person right here, as you can see, and if I go to their profile and select these three dots right here, I have this option report profile, and from these options right here you can select harassment or bullying, and you can of course see that you can send the report, and you can just block his profile or her profile. So this is what you have to do. You just go forward and report the profile, and you'll have this option to block the profile again without waiting 48 hours. So guys, this is all for today. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.